Welcome to color matching, which is a very important step in our process to repairing your vehicle. In this process, we make sure that the color on your vehicle is sprayed and painted exactly how it was pre-accident. Step one in our process of color matching is to ensure we have the correct color to work on for your vehicle. We do this by using a camera provided by our paint partners, Axalta Nobel. First, we hit this button in order to take our first scan of the color. Once that's done, we replace the camera on a different area of the panel and take one more scan. Step two in our process is to ensure that we find the color in our color system. We do this by connecting our camera, synchronizing it, and then finding the color that matches your vehicle. Within this area, we can then search the candidates that match your color. But there are many options available that match this color. For this vehicle specifically, because of the brand and make, we will be first trying this Porsche color at the bottom. Here is where we get our base color to use. The mixture is provided for us, and we create a spray out, which will be seen in the next step. Step three in our process is creating spray outs for the color. In this process, we will use spray out cards to test the color that was gotten from our system. Once our spray out is complete, we then put it up to the panel and ensure that the color on the spray out is the same as the vehicle. If the color does not match correctly, this process can be done multiple times using different variations of that same color to get an exact match. And that's Color Matching 101. If you have any extra questions, feel free to ask your customer service representative.